Okay, guys, this is part 2. And it's only going to be a couple seconds long.
Or a minute, like 3 minutes. Sorry the other video got cut off. We don't know what happened.
Okay, here we go. Woo! Looks like strawberry yogurt. Here, hold this right there.
Don't use my hand, Lily. Please don't use my hand.
Sorry, I need to stretch. Okay, guys, sorry. But here it is. We're going to end the video right here. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what videos I should do.